Hi internet, how are you doing? I'm sorry it's been a while, we've been hard at it. But one of the videos that we really wanted to do was how to assemble SmartBench. So, I've laid out all the components for SmartBench as if they'd just come out of the van or I've unpacked it from the garage. We have a camera over there. We've got Dave on the gimbal. Say hi, Dave.
Hi, Dave.
And we've got a 3-minute timer down here, which we're going to try and beat. My personal best is 2:48. So I'll be interested to see how I do with the whole camera pressure thing. So without any further ado, Dave, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, ready, steady, let's go. Okay, I'm going to try and talk you through what I'm doing. I'm going to take a pair of legs and just put them underneath the Y-bench so that I can lift up the lower X-beam and engage that lower X-beam with the end of the Y-bench. So put my wheels on here, which then engages the rack. I'll get my legs back, put that down, unfold these, and these engage into the end plates of our Y-bench, like so. Over center locks. Same again this end. Unfold the legs. Same thing again. Just lift that up. Slot those in to our Y end plates. Nice locks. Okay. This is the upper X beam. So we're going to lift this up, carry that over and just slide that over our 2 clamp skids at the end of our lower X. Drop that down and then plug it in. And all the looms run through the lower X and then clip in on a single loom there. We've done Y, we've done X, let's leave Z. So I'll take the Z. I'm just going to load that in. Again, engaging wheels and the pinion. After that comes a loom connection. So that's all that comes. Goes through to the brain of the machine. And they get clamped. Latch plates. The next one's going to be a power loom, which obviously gives it the juice. We keep those separate, by the way, because it's good practice from the electronics perspective to keep the power away from the signal. So, hence 2 looms. We're just going to lock that in place as well with the thumb screws. Which leaves one final thing, which is the console, which is down here. We take the console, we put that in, and then we take this loom and we plug it in. It's not an axle up. Oh! I saw 9 on that. That means 251. Maybe it was because I was talking. I'm going to put it down to talking. That is a very, very brief tour as to the fundamental components of SmartBench. We'll talk about things like work holding and that in more videos to come. So I hope that's been informative. Watch this space. We'll try and get on to making more videos as soon as possible. In the meantime, take it easy and yeah, see you soon. Leave your comments below. Thanks. Bye.